Welcome back to Tech Genius Hub. Today we're diving into the future of artificial intelligence with a game-changing announcement from OpenAI. The custom GPT store is here, and it's reshaping the way we interact with AI. Let's unpack the details. OpenAI has just opened the doors to a new era in AI development with the custom GPT store. This platform empowers users, developers, and businesses to tailor and deploy GPT models for their unique needs. It's a revolutionary step forward, and here's why. The custom GPT store is not just a store, it's a toolbox for AI customization. From fine-tuning language models to crafting personalized conversational agents, the features are designed to put the power of AI adaptation in your hands. Let's take a closer look. GPT Store, where users can sell and share customized AI agents based on OpenAI's large language models, will officially launch this week, OpenAI said in an email to people signed on as GPT builders. The email asked users to double-check that their GPT creations meet brand guidelines and reminded people to make their GPTs public. OpenAI first announced at its November Developers Conference that it would let other people build AI agents, called GPTs, using its GPT-4 large language model. It's only available to ChatGPT Plus and Enterprise subscribers and lets people create customized versions of ChatGPT-style chatbots, ranging from one explaining Gen Z memes to one that guides people through negotiations. While custom GPTs built by OpenAI are available through the Explore tab of ChatGPT Plus, the store would let users share and monetize their GPTs. OpenAI has said it plans to figure out a way to pay GPT creators based on how much their AI agents on the store are used, but it has not released any other details about the plan. However, it's not all smooth sailing. As reported by The Verge, OpenAI faced some delays in the release of the AI agent. We'll explore the challenges they encountered and the steps they're taking to address them. After all, transparency is key in the world of AI development. The store was initially supposed to launch in November, but it had to be delayed as OpenAI had a very busy month firing CEO Sam Altman and then rehiring CEO Sam Altman. The date slipped to December, then was postponed again. What does the future hold for the custom GPT store? The possibilities seem limitless. From tailor-made virtual assistants to industry-specific language models, this platform could reshape the landscape of AI applications. Let's ponder the potential. Excited to dive in? In the second half of this video, we'll provide a quick guide on how to navigate the custom GPT store. Whether you're a seasoned developer or just curious about the AI world, we've got you covered. Let's start. If you haven't already, you'll need to create a ChatGPT Plus account, which costs $20 per month. You're also able to create a custom model with an enterprise account, but you'll need to reach out to sales for pricing information. After you've signed up, log into your account to create the GPT. When you're on the home page, click on Create a GPT, and you'll be taken to a page with an open chat with ChatGPT and a configurations menu on the left-hand side. On the right, you'll be able to preview your chatbot through the site's Playground view. It's time to come up with a unique purpose for your GPT. The limit really is your imagination, but ideas can span from practical use cases like SEO helpers and nutrition planners to more bizarre concepts like Bad Recipe GPT, a custom model designed to put you off your dinner by inventing bad and amusing recipes. While there are already thousands of GPTs on OpenAI's marketplace, we'd recommend finding a niche that isn't saturated yet, or at least putting a creative spin on an established concept. After you've come up with your concept, enter a name for your GPT. This will be the title your AI model is displayed under. Try to make the name as descriptive and catchy as possible. To bring your concept to life, you have to add a clear set of instructions for your GPT to follow. You'll be able to enter your own instructions or choose a predefined option from the drop-down menu. For the best results, these guidelines should be very detailed and should include the primary function of your GPT, how you'd like it to answer queries, and what language you'd like it to use. Here is another interesting feature. Since the databases used by ChatGPT are not up to date, you can add up-to-date data as you wish and perfect your custom GPT. Now it's time to test your custom model. To do this, switch to the preview panel and interact with your chatbot as you would do with any. We'd recommend asking challenging questions to see what your GPT is capable of, and to address any potential gaps in its knowledge base. Use its responses to troubleshoot the model until you're happy with the results. Then, it's time to get your GPT live. Now you're ready to get started. We will share a more detailed custom GPT creation video in the future. As we wrap up this exploration of OpenAI's custom GPT store, it's clear that the future of AI is in customization. If you're as excited as I am about the possibilities, don't forget to subscribe to Tech Genius Hub for more in-depth dives into the world of artificial intelligence, tech news, and tutorials. This is Tech Genius Hub signing off. Stay curious.